Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play one-man band. First, grasp the core concept of performing multiple instruments at once. Your primary instrument, often a guitar or keyboard, forms your musical foundation. Then, select complementary instruments like a kick drum, harmonica, or bass. A loop pedal is crucial for layering sounds and building rich, full arrangements in real time, allowing you to create a complete soundscape with just one person. Next, let's consider specific instrument integration. A kick drum pedal provides a solid rhythmic base, operated by your foot. You can also attach a tambourine or a small hi-hat to your foot for additional percussive flair. A harmonica holder allows for hands-free melodic lines, adding another layer. For digital sounds, explore MIDI controllers to trigger virtual instruments and effects, expanding your sonic possibilities significantly. Effective practice is key to mastering the one-man band. Start by practicing each instrument separately until you are proficient. Then, begin combining just two instruments, slowly adding more as your coordination improves. Focus intently on rhythmic precision and maintaining a consistent tempo throughout your performance. Recording your practice sessions is an invaluable tool. It helps you objectively identify areas needing further refinement and progress. Finally, let's talk about performance and essential gear. Invest in reliable amplification to ensure your sound projects clearly to your audience. A mixer is crucial for balancing the volume levels of all your instruments, creating a cohesive sound. Consider a comfortable harness or stand for hands-free instrument support during longer sets. Carefully plan your setlist to highlight your unique multi-instrumental talents and engage your listeners.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.